Hey folks, look what I dragged in from the side of the road. A Toshiba set. Seems that I'm swimming in TVs at the moment. This looks like a flat tube from the mid-2000s. Although, yeah, looks like the tube is not scratched and is in good shape. Who knows if anything else works? It could have a bad speaker, it could have a bad power supply, who knows. Now, when I saw this TV, I noticed it had a bulge in the top from my car. That's why. It looks to me like somebody picked it up using these handles here, and it just bent the plastic in such a way that it sort of got stuck underneath. So, what I need to do is take the back off this TV and reposition that. I'll do that once I'm done showing you guys the initial results of this thing. Looks like it's a Toshiba from September 2005. That's pretty new. Wow. It has RF in, of course, but the best part about this TV is it has S-video and component as well. The component part of it I find the most attractive. That is fantastic. Looks like it only has one video input, so you have to choose composite or component. I think that's a flyback control or a focus control. I'm not sure. Haven't worked on sets that, or even looked at sets this new, so I'm going to get this back off and try to fix that, and then we'll test the TV. And if the TV tests good, I'll clean it. Okay, I got the back off this thing. And it looks like one of the screws that holds the component things on, the plastic broke there. So that's kind of a shame. Uses an Orion tube. An A51LYZ095X. MT picture display. So I guess it's just a typical color tube. Here's a good look at the, let's take a look at the cathodes. No, it's hard to see the cathodes here, actually. But there you go, you've got your purity rings and stuff all set up. I don't know what that is. Looks like the speakers are some 10 watts speakers, so they're probably decently loud. Looks like that control we saw on the back of the TV. It's probably for the flyback. I don't see anything that looks suspicious in here at all. Just looks dusty. It's actually not all that dusty by the anode cap either. It's only really dusty on the bottom here. I don't see any bulging caps or anything. I see a relay in there, like an Omron relay. That's really it. Looks like it's just been used and in good shape, so I think that plastic just broke when they were trying to move the TV. Looks like the only real damage is the screw for the component inputs there is just not present anymore, so looks like it's still pretty solid though, so that might be alright. We shall see. Let me get the back on. But otherwise, the TV looks like it didn't burn up or anything. I'm hoping that haze on the back of the tube there isn't it getting gassy or something. Oh, I think it's just tape. I think it might be alright. I don't know. Well, I'll put the back on and then we'll give it a test. Okay, I took the back off and put it back on and managed to tidy up that plastic piece that was sort of coming out. I have it plugged into the Variac here. Let's see if it blows up in my face when I turn it on. Jesus Christ. You know, maybe that wasn't such a good idea. That sounded a bit dangerous. When that arcing was going on, I actually felt the hair on my arms stand up. So that was high voltage arcing, whatever that was. I didn't even hear the audio kick in. I just heard nothing but sparks. So I don't know what's going on there, and this TV is a little too new for me to want to actually bother to try to fix. It's also not in the most amazing shape in the world, so I'm just going to put it out to pasture, unfortunately. But this is what you do when you find something on the side of the road. You don't know what kind of condition it's in, so I did the right thing. I inspected the insides of it, and then I tried turning it on, and we got those sparks. So yeah, I'm not going to pursue this any further, unfortunately. I have a bit of a fear of electricity, and that I panicked when I saw that. And you saw the camera just go sideways and all that stuff. So yeah, I think I'm done. This TV is going back out to pasture, but hey, this video is a good example of what happens when things don't go right, and I'll show you when things go wrong too, because that's just as entertaining. You got to see me freak out at sparks, so there you have it. So yeah, that would be a rip-roaring failure. I think this set was EOL'd before I got it, unfortunately. So well, I gave it a chance. It had potential, but unfortunately that potential was realized long before I got it. So bye-bye to the Toshiba TV. Oh well, I tried. Good thing it was free. If I paid money for this, I'd be mad. So there you have it, folks. Thought I'd show you what happens when things don't always go your way. So yeah, I'm sad. Oh well, I've got TVs, it's fine. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Social media and Discord chat are down below. And yeah, have a good one, everybody. Ciao.